Hi there, it's Liz from Old Stables Crafts. How are you today? I have to apologise, I do have a slight cold cough going on. It's nothing more exciting than a cold cough. But I do want to remind you that tomorrow, yes, tomorrow, is the start of the seasonal sale, which means it's the start of items in the current mini catalogue becoming unorderable because they will sell out. So I thought I would do my usual trot through the catalogue to let you know what is reduced, what isn't reduced, and how to make the most of your crafting pounds and indeed euros. So let me flip the camera down. Oh, I want me in it as well. So this is the current mini catalogue. I will do my best to keep shuffling it from side to side. But as ever, good luck. Here we go. If you need to stop the recording at any point, obviously you can do so. So the first thing is a walk in the forest, 12 by 12 paper. That is not reduced but is going. Then we go quite a bit on. So Merry, Bold and Bright Sweet. Obviously the Sweet Collection code will go. The iridescent adhesive back discs are staying. Everything else is going, and apart from these stamps and dies, nothing else is reduced. So you've got 40% off the stamp set, so it's £11.40, which is a brilliant price, and 20% off the dies at £24.80. Again, a really good price. So please, if you want these, do not use the bundle price, use the two individual prices, because that way your money will go further. So, have I turned 2 pages at once? Yes, I have. Right, so, Traditions of St. Nick. There is the St. Nicholas bundle, I should say. There is the Traditions of St. Nick Designer Series paper, which is what I am using for my November class. That is currently still available, but the stamp set and dies will be going, but there is no reduction in price, so if you want these, please use the bundle price. The Merriest Trees stamp set and dies will be carrying over, but if you want the 10% discount, please do use that as soon as you can. Tiny Trees are going, so that's a 40% reduction at £16.20. Festive and Fun, gorgeous fun set. I've got too much light on. Let's do that and see if that's better. Festive and Fun set is going, but there is no reduction. Right, Oh Holy Night, obviously the sweet will go. The sweet code actually has gone already because the star trinkets are no longer available and will not be coming back. The Night of Navy and Gold glitter ribbon is carrying over. Everything else is going. The Shining Brightly paper, no reduction, and the Oh Holy Night paper, no reduction. Excuse me, gonna have to cough. The stamp set is reduced by 10% to £23.40, but the dies are not reduced. So please, if you want these, use the bundle because then you'll get 10% off both. Right, next, Stars at Night bundle. So the stamps are reduced by 20% to £18.40. But the hybrid embossing folder, which is the dies and the embossing folder, are not reduced, so please use the Stars at Night bundle if you want those, because you will save money. The Rocking Horse stamp set is not reduced, but the dies are. They're coming down by 20% to just £20. So if you want both of these, please use the separate numbers, because that will save you more money than getting 10% off both, because 20% off the higher price means that you get more off. Shop the Town is going, but there is no reduction. Forever Forest is carrying over, but again, as are the dies. But if you want to save money, please get the bundle now, because once it goes into the new annual catalogue, that bundle price will go. Joy to You is going, but no reduction. Ooh, handcrafted element dies. I will note that on my website. I'll do a blog post. I can't remember if they're going or not. I suspect they are, but I will confirm that on my blog post. The Snowflake Sky 3D embossing folder is carrying over. Nothing else of the Berry Christmas is. The ribbon, the Memories and More, the envelopes and cards and the paper are not reduced, but they are going. And again, the stamp set and punch are going, but no reduction, so please use the bundle price if you want them. Gift of Giving is going, no reduction. Winter Owls going. The stamp set is not reduced, but the dies are by 20% to just $25.60. So please don't use the bundle price if you want them. Get them separately. Fragrant Forest and Graceful Deer are carrying over. Joy of Christmas, the vanilla and black gingham ribbon is carrying over. Everything else is going, and there are no reductions at all, apart from 30% off the classic dies. So if you want the stamp set and the dies, again, please get the bundle, because that way will save you money. And if you want the stamp set and dies of the Joy of Noel, please get the bundle, because it will save you 10%. Sending Cheer, which is the set that I used on Saturday for my simple stamping, the stamp set isn't reduced, but the dies are half price at just $16.50. This is an amazing price for these dies. Please, therefore, don't use the bundle when you buy these two. Buy them separately so that you get that 50% saving on the dies. Again, Christmas tiding, I didn't check. Didn't seem to come up on the list. I will check that and put it on my website. The link to that will be below in the description bar. It will take you straight to the post. Jolly Words is going, but no reduction. Radiant Light is going, but no reduction. The brushed gold cards and envelopes are carrying over. Wishes All Around is going. There is no reduction on the stamp set. This is this wonderful wreath set. No reduction on the stamp set, but the dies are reduced by 20% to just $27.20. So again, please order these two things separately. Do not order the bundle price, because that way you will save more money. Right, Winter Meadow. Quite a lot of this is carrying over. The stamp set and dies are not. I will deal with those on the next page. The faceted gems are carrying over. The ribbon is carrying over. The paper is carrying over. I've only had that happen a couple of times in the time that I've been a demonstrator. The snowflake paper is not carrying over and is not reduced. Right, so the stamp set and dies are going. There is no reduction, so please, if you want them, get the bundle. Sparkling Snowflake bundle is carrying over. If you want them at a reduction, please get the bundle sooner rather than later, because that will not be available in the new catalogue. Above It All is going, no reduction, so again, if you want these, please get the bundle. The nested treat boxes are going. There's a 30% reduction, so 8 boxes are just £7.52, which is amazing for a gift box. The Precious Pine Cones reversibles, amazing, 60% off, that's £8.40. All About Autumn is already as a suite not available because the paper has already gone and is not coming back. However, the Distress Tile 3D embossing folder and the Oxidized Copper Designer Series paper are both carrying over, so they will be around in the new catalogue, so there's no rush on those. But for everything else, if you want it, get it sooner rather than later. The ribbon is not reduced and the speckled dots are not reduced. And I will deal with the stamp set, etc. here, because actually the autumn leaves are carrying over. But if you want the bundle price, you need to get it before the catalogue goes out of stock. And I think people will be ordering this at the bundle price, so it could go out of stock anyway. So if you want it at the bundle price, please get it soon. I'm going to have to drink. It's never good doing this anyway, but doing it with a cough and a cold is even worse. So, Fruitful Blessings. This is going to save you so much money because there's 40% off both the dies and the stamp set. The stamp set is great for so many seasons. Do not think of this as just an autumn set, because you can colour this in so many ways to be spring and summer. So, Fruitful Blessings stamp set reduced by 40% to £13.80. The dies, I'm staggered, are just £18.60. And there are dies for all of the images plus some extras. So it's a great set. Do not order the bundle. Get the two things separately. Rustic Crate is carrying over, but if you want the bundle price, get it now before it sells out at the bundle price. So Sincere is carrying over, which is great. The Abundant Beauty decorative masks, however, I am in mourning already. They are going. Right, Them Bones, surprise, surprise, everything is going. And there are no reductions at all. So if you want anything from the Them Bones set, please get it now. The Tricks and Treats bundle is obviously going. The stamp set is going at £19, no reduction. The dies are reduced by 30% to £23.80. So if you want both, please get them separately because it's cheaper than getting the bundle. Pick of the Patch. We are over halfway. Pick of the Patch. The stamps are half price at just £10. The punch is 30% off at £14.70. So please get those two separately. Get them soon. Do not buy them as a bundle. Right, okay. Garden Walk Suite, which is the Modern Garden stamp set, etc. This is slightly confusing, so bear with me. The Blooming Pearls, which are beautiful, they are Garden Green, Gold, Petal Pink and Pretty Peacock. Beautiful, they're iridescent, they are gorgeous. These are carrying over. Almost everything else is going with no reduction, but, and this is a big but, the Modern Oval Punch is carrying over. The stamp set isn't. There's a 10% reduction, so it brings it down to £20.70. But if you want the punch and you want the dies, please get the bundle because then you'll get 10% off both items whilst it is available in this catalogue period. So, More Wishes is carrying over, which is great because that goes with the existing set we've got. The Translucent Florals are carrying over, but if you want the bundle, get them now. And it does go with the Delightful Floral DSP, which is still available on the online exclusives. Medley Mix is going, but there's no reduction. The Light the Sky bundle is staying individually, but if you want the bundle, get it at 10% off now. These are carrying over, but they will only be available online, but they are going to be available. So no reduction. If you want them, get them soon. These are your Happy New Year sets. So if you want a Happy New Year set, please order it quickly at the bundle price. Always With Me is carrying over, which is just as well, because I haven't inked it up yet. Whale Watching is carrying over, no reduction. Throughout the Year is carrying over, but will only be available online. The Cheery Patterns embossing folders are going, no reduction. The Deckled Circles are carrying over. They will only be available online. Now, online, I mean they will not be in the catalogue, the next annual catalogue, but they will still be available. But you need to know that they are available. The Year to Celebrate is going. This is another Happy New Year set. The stamp set is going without a reduction. The classic gift card envelopes are going 20% off. They are just £4.60 for 20 of the little envelopes. And you can get a gift card in there, so the credit card size. Cheers to the Season are going 40% off at just £14.40. And as I say, the Deckled Circles are going, but they will be are carrying over, but they will be available online only. Curved Occasions going 40% off at just £11.40. The Punch is staying, and that will obviously be still it will still be £21. As far as I'm aware, there is no increase. But if you want both, please buy them separately as early as you can so that you get the stamp set at that reduced price. Warmest Heart, the stamp sets is 40% off at just £10.20. The dies are 60% off at just £10.40. Please do not look at the bundle. If you want them both, get them as separate items. And we're at the end of the catalogue. Other than to say the host set, as ever, which is right at the back here somewhere, is going. It is already a discounted set. So this framing foliage, you can only get it with Stamping Rewards, and that is still the case. And it isn't reduced at all. So you would still need £14 in rewards in order to get it, or £18.50 in euros. Now, I have only looked at the English versions. I have not looked at any of the language versions. Some of the language versions are a different price. Some of them have got more discount, some of them have got less discount. I will look at those two items and put a note on my blog post linked below, so do have a look at that. It was the oh, can't remember, but I will look back and let you know what it was. It was two items that were not really featured terribly well. Let me find them because it's going to irritate me otherwise. It was some of those ones that were just tucked in. There was definitely a set of embossing folders, and so there was the Christmas Tidings embossing folder, and I have a sneaking suspicion the other item was before that, but I will put it on my website. So yes, so I hope that is helpful to you. I'm going to be looking back through this until I can find it. I hope that was helpful to you. As I say, the sale starts tomorrow, so do jump onto that as quickly as possible if there is anything that you want. These items are going to go really quickly. If there is something you want that isn't reduced. Oh, the other thing is this isn't what I was looking at. The metallic enamel effects basics. I'll have a look at that as well. But there was something else. I will find it. So if there's anything that you want that isn't reduced, please, please, please order it today. Don't wait until tomorrow, because people are going to wait and put in an order for things that are reduced as well as things that aren't reduced, and things are suddenly going to go. The other thing, and you're going to think I am a complete lunatic when I say this, very soon we will be losing the retiring in colours. They will suddenly just go. So get them sooner rather than later. So it's the Sweet Sorbet, Parakeet Party, Starry Sky, Orchid Oasis, and Tahitian Tide. If you want any of those items, please order them soon. I know it's only November and they are with us until the end of the annual catalogue, but please, 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 please do not miss out on them, because they will suddenly go. Anywho, enough from me. As I say, those items that I missed, do please look at the website linked below. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. I will be back tomorrow, all things being equal, assuming I'm not getting worse. I think I'm over the worst of this cold, so hopefully I will be here for our Tuesday live, because I missed last week's. Anyway, thank you very much indeed for joining me today. Let me find my end screen, which is there. I will, fingers crossed, see you tomorrow. Any questions, please ask either on my website or on this video, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Until then, bye for now.